take a look in a shocking and bizarre discovery in the New River Valley today. We're told Radford University students found at least 55 American robins dead on the ground this week. The Southwest Virginia Wildlife Center was able to save 2 birds, which are recovering well. And there's no word on the exact cause, but one idea is that they died from trauma.
That they ingested some type of fermented berry or a toxin, and then possibly they made them drunk, they fell to the ground, and the fall to the ground caused the injury and the death.
The Virginia Department of Wildlife Resources is investigating.
Been to Iraq and back and not seen nothing like this.
Jeff Drennan's kids aren't the only ones in his backyard or any other backyard in the neighborhood. About 1 square mile of Beebe is covered in dead blackbirds. It all started New Year's Eve.
Called the police department and told them, I was like, not drunk, not on drugs, and she immediately said, oh, you're calling about the birds, and I was like, yeah.
No one's sure why all the birds died so suddenly. The Arkansas Game and Fish Commission's picked up 65 of them. They'll be tested tomorrow.
Kind of worries me, my kids are out here playing, and you don't know, is it safe, or, because they're walking around in chemical suits, picking them up with gas masks and everything.
Cleanup crews have now been out in this area picking up hundreds of birds for days. But if you come back out to a field like this one, do a quick look around, you'll easily find more than a dozen birds.
Which is exactly what people who live around here have been doing for days, including Janice Donahue's husband.
You saw the blackbirds up the corner. He started picking them up. He picked up probably 35 or 40 in our yard.
And it all leads to one question that nobody's been able to answer yet. Why?
Maybe cold weather or something, I don't know. Act of God. Who knows?